Hello from OGS Mechanics Workshop. Another job in today, a Ford Focus. A quite common fault. We've seen it lately several times. The car does not start and display a parking sensor malfunctions. After the investigation had been carried out, concluded that the fault it is the transmission control unit. Some of them they have a recall, so it's always good to check if you have a similar problem, whether your vehicle is affected by the recall, and as this work can be done free of charge by Ford Direct. Now we have already installed the new control unit and we perform programming. Again, a glimpse on our activity on a daily basis here in OGS Mechanics Workshop. We can perform coding and programming at dealer level on many car manufacturers. Thanks for watching OGS Mechanics.